Melissa Giles, Crazy Imagination Travel. I am here getting ready for the grand reopening of Hollywood Studios and Epcot. We are staying at the Boardwalk Villas. This time we're in a studio. We are in room 2064 and I'd like to take you for a tour. Let's go. We did not have to stop at the front desk. We just walked directly to our room. When I woke up this morning at the Contemporary, I had a text that said, your room is ready, and we just hopped right over, used our magic bands, and came into the room. Everything was touchless and beautiful. So let's start. Hello, Paige. Let's start in the bedding area. Again, this is a studio, so we have a queen-size bed that will sleep two. We have a pull-out sleeper sofa that Paige is sitting on. And then we also have a pull-down bed, which I love for little ones. It's a little smaller than a twin, but I've even slept on it before. It's very comfortable. Our Disney music is playing, and the bed actually pulls out into a little table, which is nice while you're not sleeping. This magic table in a studio one-bedroom villa at the Boardwalk is a nice table by day, and then with a push of a button, it turns into a bed. So let's see how it works. Pull your chairs back, and this button here, or this button here, you lightly push and pull, and voila, down comes your bed. How cool is that? And look, you've got Dumbo, so cute. Your bed is already made out. Table here, nice lighting, and let's see, the pull-out sleeper here is already made for you, which is nice. The linens are on the bed. Plugs for your electronics, storage, and over here you'll find more plugs for your electronics on both sides, which is very nice. You never have too many of those. A little armoire here with chests of drawers that pull out. Good amount of ample storage. And what I really like about our studios is this mini kitchenette. So you'll find a refrigerator, larger than what you have in the regular rooms, a sink, toaster, microwave, and all the comforts of home. So an extra paper towel, utensils, wine opener, cups, plates. Now these are paper plates, but they're still plates and bowls, which are nice. Let me turn the light on for you. Wow, ta-da! You've got cleaning products here. Coffee, Joffrey's coffee. We've got a decaf and 2 regulars, along with our coffee pot. And I may have visited the confectionery the other day. And here is your refrigerator. And then underneath here we have trash can, recycle, and your paper towels. Excellent. My boys are going to be staying here week after next, and this will be a great place for them to pop their popcorn and bring all their treats back. All right, here's our bathroom area. Lots of sink space. H2O products. One sink. And we've got storage, hair dryer, cabinet space, another trash can, a large trash can, I like that, and more tissue. Very nice. And a makeup mirror, which is lighted. That's great. And then let's look over here at your closet. All right, so we've got extra bed linens. We've got a spot for your suitcase. And our safe, which you put your own coat in. And this one has plenty of hangers, which is nice. And here's the potty area. Towels, nice shower. Again, we have H2O products, our deluxe hotels. We've got our body bath soap bar. And we're all set, which is nice. All right, and I don't think I showed you the entry yet. So when you walk in, you have the space for your luggage here and another mirror, which is nice, so your luggage doesn't have to be in your way. Now let's go look outside and see what our view has. I'm seeing the Boardwalk pool. How pretty is that? Leaping horse libations. Love it. And we have, if you will, a porthole, and then we have 2 chairs and a table, which is nice. Very good. Well, we are headed over to Animal Kingdom today, and Hollywood Studios opens tomorrow, as well as Epcot post-COVID, so we are excited. Now, speaking of COVID, let me tell you this. So we have put lots of safety precautions in place. Look at my remote control. It has been cleaned and sealed. Also, there's additional cleaning procedures. Disney is taking great care of our guests. In this particular room, all of the numbered items have been cleaned. This is more than what we're used to doing, but we want to keep our guests safe. So, awesome. Enhanced cleaning. For your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa at crazyimaginationtravel.com. It would be my pleasure to assist you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and Instagram page, and hit the bell for notifications. I will see you real soon. Have a magical day.